Hello. Be right back. You know what the problem with my men is? You guys are lazy. Yeah, I said it. You guys are freaking lazy. And you know what? It really isn't doing anything for me as a woman. Because I need you. And I understand this world has conditioned you. Because you think you could just get whatever because you asked for it. Be a little sweet and you could get it. Run a little game and you could get it. But get real. Because you know that you are standing in your own way by not reaching your full potential. Because you want to be lazy and you want to be half. And you want to do the least. You want to do the minimum because it's easier. When you know as a man, your job